Now that I've gotten the battery or got this plating off of here, here's the battery, here's the spare tire. I'm going to take this plate off of there. Okay, and then this is the battery here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me pause this for a second. Okay, now you see you have the battery here inside the trunk area. I'm going to take this hot wire off. This is the positive cable. Got a little bit of corrosion there, but not too bad. I see what's going on here. Now what I have here is my jump starter. Okay, what I'm going to do first is put the ground on. Let me clear that. I'm going to connect that to the ground wire. Okay, now I have the positive. Okay, got that hooked on. See, look at that, my lights are on. All the power lights are on. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and see what my car start. Make sure that all the wiring is, the connections are good. The black is the negative polarity. The red is the positive polarity. Always remember that, people. This is my charger. Okay, now, let me go up to my car. As you can see, I have power now. Look at my clock is working. I have the power.